Hi everyone, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. And today I want to talk a little bit about service when you're a consumer and you're going to a repair facility and you know what you want done. For example, this woman went to get a smog test done and they started checking all of her fluids, checking her air filter, just spent like an hour taking all the stuff apart, and they bought her a big list and they wanted to charge her $600 or $700 to do all that stuff, and all she went for was a smog test. So I'm making this video so you can just inform the technician wherever you're going. If you just want a specific service, tell them right up front on the service order what you're signing for is that just that specific service. You don't want anything else, because they'll start doing these things. And one of the problems when they do that is she just went a few days ago and you can see there's a fresh tear. They just tore the corner out of the air filter. Well, that's the corner where the air filter, you know, it sits inside of a little tray, a little box in there. So it's not going to fit anymore, so it's going to start to suck dirt in there. So it's just kind of bad news. If they don't get the job, it seems like they'll tear things and they don't care. So I just wanted to make a quick little couple minutes to let you know that when you go for service and you go to a repair facility, please tell them, hey, I want to get this, this, and this, and can you tell me what you're going to do? Did you write it down? So you agree upon that. That way they won't come with any other surprises. They know they're not supposed to inspect or check anything else because you're only requesting that specific service, such as a smog or just an oil and filter change or a wiper blade replacement, things like that. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.